Alright, so let me show you what I got here. So you can see, now that I'm pulling stuff back here, this has definitely been patched up. And this was pretty rusty under here. I'm not quite sure if you can see that too well, but it's pretty clear that the frame rail in the back here has been patched up. That it's a little bit upsetting to see. And this patch is on here. Not a very good job if you ask me. So I'm not too sure what to do at this point. The center of this trunk's it's in pretty good shape still. It's just these edges here. Yeah. You see my little brace I made in there? Keep everything where it belongs when I tore the quarters off. And this, I'm not too sure what to do about this. This has been patched, looks like at least 3 times. And this wheel well lip here, you can see that's a big mess. That's been patched numerous times as well. This is about the only spot that's still original up in here. There's a lot of rust down in there. No, maybe it's just a bad patch. Now that I'm looking a little bit closer at it. Lots of rust down in there. The middle section's good and solid, but the front's in the rear here is some pretty rough shape. You can see I've already taken this chunk out here. This had been previously patched and a really poor job, so I'm gonna rebuild this little section of the door jamb back up. I gotta get my sandblaster on that, clean that up, then I'll put my patch on. The front needs to be done as well. Someone's patched that already. And the center section's okay. Underneath, like I said, just the front and the rear here. The sills needs to be done over. So a lot of little work to do before I can put that rear quarter back on. Just not too sure what to do about that trunk. See if I see what I can. Yeah, it's pretty apparent now that this area has really been patched up. That patch doesn't look too good to me. Now, so you can see this patch. That doesn't look too bad actually from underneath. It's just this last little section here. So maybe I can get away with leaving that bigger patch in the trunk and just focus on this section here. Lots of oil undercoating. It is just caked under here. Oh, well. Alright, that's it for now, folks. Ooh, that one's really easy. That came off real easy. Oh, that's even worn too. Okay, so when I took the door off, I noticed that it wasn't original down in here, and there was some Bondo. So I took the wire wheel brush, and we can see what's underneath here now. It's a they put a patch over this. So what I thought was the original sill down in here. Well, this is definitely original underneath here, but it looks like this little patch. Let's see if I can get it underneath here. So you can see that you can see the sill has rusted out here, and then they patched it over. Oh yeah, I filled that in with some weld because it was so badly worn out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mount it in my mill and try and drill that out to the correct size. Try it like that. Well, it certainly goes through. Man, these mosquitoes. Okay. Good. Alright, I'm happy with that. Oh yeah, that's good and snug there now. Hopefully it lines up half decent. Okay. One job out of the way.